There are many products available to choose slow cooker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best slow cooker from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crockpot 3-quart round manual slow cooker. Crockpot's 3-quart round manual slow cooker is our top pick for a small slow cooker. It's perfect for bringing warm queso to a tailgate or making a small beef stew for two. This slow cooker requires minimal cleanup as the insert is dishwasher safe. Handles on its slow cooker's exterior also allow easy transport. If you are looking for a larger version with more functions, we were impressed with the Crockpot 6-quart programmable slow cooker with sous vide. We cooked a roast beef via the sous vide setting, and it turned out perfectly tender. It earned a 2024 Kitchen Gear Award thanks to praise from home testers as well. Number 2. Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker. With 6 easy-to-use modes including slow cook, sous vide and sauté/sear, the Wolf Gourmet 7-quart multifunction cooker can help you with a wide variety of recipes. The removable stainless steel cookware insert can be used on your gas, electric or induction cooktop, making this cooker a winner in terms of versatility. You can keep track of the internal temperature of foods with the convenient temperature probe. This model produced the most tender roast in our test. And cleanup is easy because the insert and lid are both dishwasher safe. Number 3. Proctor Silex Double Dish Slow Cooker. Give your buffet table a boost with this Proctor Silex model, which earned a 2024 GH Kitchen Gear Award. It lets you cook one dish in the 6-quart ceramic crock or 2 dishes in the dual 2.5-quart non-stick inserts. We were pleased with the beef stew in our tests, and we loved that we were able to keep black beans and queso warm in the small inserts for 4 hours without any scorching. The crock, inserts, and lid are all dishwasher safe, which helps with cleanup. While this simple interface is easy to use, turn the dial to select high, low, or keep warm. Take note that there's no built-in timer for tracking cook times. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 8-quart Oval Slow Cooker. This Hamilton Beach slow cooker is the largest slow cooker on our list with an 8-quart capacity. It's especially great for big families or hosting since it can fit an 8-pound whole chicken or a 6-pound roast. If you're looking to feed an even bigger crowd, Hamilton Beach also offers a 10-quart model, though we have not yet tested that version. It's affordable, straightforward to use and easy to clean up. We especially love the Keep Warm feature to ensure that your food remains at your desired temperature until you're ready to eat. The insert and lid are dishwasher safe. Take note that you cannot use the insert for browning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.